Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I'm now in Manila. I'm back at the Peninsula Manila for work. I'm here for 3 nights. I didn't book through the Amex Fine Hotel and Resorts program, but I booked through an online travel agency this time. After I do the room tour, I will explain very quickly the reason why. So this time I do not have any spa credit or F&B credit. Or any significant upgrade to the room. I book a deluxe king room, so I'm going to show it to you. But I do book for room and breakfast because I'm inviting business partners to come over for breakfast meeting. So I'll be having breakfast here. So anyway, I'll do a very quick room tour of the deluxe king room at the Peninsula Manila Hotel. Okay, so on my left, the wardrobe has an umbrella. Well, the closet actually has a very deep and big safety deposit box. All right, and then also with the Peninsula slippers. Okay, and then after the closet is the bathroom. So they do have the bathtub. Okay, and then with the 2 bathrooms, and then this is the stand-up shower. Hopefully the water power is good. And then this is their amenities: shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. So they haven't get rid of the plastic tubes yet. Okay, so this is the toilet, and then additional amenities like the dental kit, and then shower cap, and all those. So they have a single sink, and then this is the weight as well. Okay, so again, back to the bathtub. So walking out, they put my luggage over here, and then they have another closet area here. Okay, so now this is the main bedroom. Again, the size is a little bit smaller than the premium king room that I have last time, but this is still newly renovated. The air conditioning is very quiet, which is nice. And then this is the bed with the bedboard, and then good mattress, and then pillow and duvet and such. And then this is a small lazy chair, sofa area. And over here is the television. I haven't turned it on yet, and they give me 3 bottles of water, which is nice. And then I'm just checking out everything. The snacks, they do have the capsule, and then the mugs and everything. I'm just wondering, okay, so this is the mini bar. It's fully stocked. Of course, you have to pay, which is fine. And then more glassware. You know what I'm looking at? Okay, there you go. This is the coffee machine as well as the kettle because they give me the capsule. So I'm just looking for the coffee machine. Okay, so everything is in here. Okay, now this is the work desk. Again, as I told you, I'm here for work. So this is good, this is perfect. You know, with all the plugs and everything. I think this is more like a business hotel as well. Okay, with the stationaries and stuff. Okay, so basically, this is my room. I check in a little late, so you can see it's a little dark, so I will show more to you tomorrow morning when I'm having breakfast. And I will just quickly tell you, because I book, you know, this business trip comes up pretty last minute, and when I look at the Amex Fine Hotel and Resorts website, actually the price is like quite expensive as compared to what the online travel agency is offering online. So that's the reason why I do not book via Amex this time, but book through the OTA this time. So this is probably the most affordable Peninsula hotel in the world. So to give you an idea, it is May, and I'm staying here for 3 nights, and I'm spending less than $200 per night here for this room via the OTA. If I book via Amex Fine Hotels and Resorts, it will be around $300. But then of course that includes the upgrade, then that includes $100 food and beverage credit and such. But anyway, you know, that doesn't fit into the cover budget. So now if I book via the online travel agency, I can comfortably fit that into the cover budget and stay here for the meetings. And in fact, a lot of the Manila business partners love to come over to the Peninsula for meetings. So that's the reason why I'm staying here over and over. So I will show you breakfast, and I'm going to have lunch, and we'll show you everything from my experience here again at the Peninsula Manila in 2025 in May. Good morning, Manila. This is Anita C. So I came in late last night, so it was kind of dark. So I'm going to show you the view. So I have kind of the corner room. So this is where the hotel is facing from this window, and then passing the TV. This is the view. Okay, so I'm getting prepared for work, and I will show you the breakfast. Just follow me. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I am still at the Peninsula Manila. Actually, it's my last night here. You know, as I mentioned in the beginning, I stay here for 3 nights, and I've already done my 2 nights and have some outside meetings. But today, actually, a lot of the meetings happen at the hotel because, as I mentioned, a lot of business partners love to come to Peninsula for meetings. So I'm asking for the access of the gallery club. So when I booked with Amex Fine Hotels and Resorts last time, I do have access to the gallery club, which is very nice, with the afternoon tea, evening cocktails, breakfast and such. And now I'm thinking if I bring someone in and we have afternoon tea, we have evening drinks, even a few drinks and snacks and everything, it can add up to be quite expensive. So I just checked to see if it's available to get upgrade or to pay for the gallery club just for one day. And because I know that they did it before, so I just asked. And actually they do. They still can upgrade for the gallery club as an add-on for just one day. So even I book 3 nights, I do not have to have gallery club for all 3 nights. It can be an add-on. So it's about $115 tax included for the entire day. So what is included? It included all their breakfast, afternoon tea, evening cocktails, and all their refreshments. So which is very good for me to cover 2 or 3 meetings today. So that's what I'll be going for the gallery club for today, and I will share with you everything including breakfast, afternoon tea, and evening cocktail. So stay tuned. Hi, good morning. Can I get an omelet?
Sure.
Everything no ham.
Sure.
Thank you.